here in Oyster Creek Park. Magka-crab, tsaka fishing. It's really nice. May playground din. Sapphire, come. Go, go. Wow. Nandoon sila. Wait, help her. Let her do it. Today is so fast. We have a lot of. It's easy. Honey.
The nest?
I know.
Kakdong, go to daddy ka.
Ready?
Uh-oh.
Do it. Yes.
Are you fish?
Miss mo si tita.
Hello. How are you? Kailan pa yun matatapos, sir? Sir.
Kaktang, stay with your brother.
I really wish I thought it's a fish.
Yeah.
That's my dream.
Just your dream? Oh my god, you have a bad dream? Oh my lord.
Maybe down over there. I don't know. That's too sharp. Yeah,
Too short?
maybe you cannot go inside like that.
You fishing?
Yeah.
Okay. Ano ba yan, Kuya Noel?
Yeah, pala.
Birdo.
Kabuhayan pala.
Kabuhayang showcase.
Where's the shrimp?
Where's the shrimp?
Jade,
Ay,
you're
ano,
so
shrimp?
serious. You're so serious.
Nagalit na siya. What happened? Dachi,
We got only two.
wala na. No more. Video natin, video. Is there something? Maybe the fish again? Oh my lord. Yeah. Hello guys.
Yeah. I thought I had a fish.
You thought had a fish?
Yeah.
I look like nothing.
Yeah.
Are you just still the same? Like you have to throw it.
Careful, we're here.
Yeah, careful. You should be there.
I don't know how the small fish
Uh-huh.
they eat all.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh my god, I done it.
You got it? Okay.
Let's go.
Dito, dito. Si Kuya Noel, #1 sa fishing here. Inuubos lang nila ng ano. Oh no, what happened?
Where the fish?
Yeah. Yeah. Kakdong, where's yours? Kakdong, where's yours?
Ay, 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 ay.
Kuya Noel, ano na?
Dalawa na, dalawa.
Dalawa na. Yari lang mo. Ano na nangyari dyan, tita?
Na-amaze siya.
Na-amaze na siya.
Like it. That's your skin.
Ay! Tignan na natin si Kuya Noel. Makakuha ba to? Dito daw si Kuya Noel. Get it! Kaktang! Kaktang! Oh my God! Yay!
Shot Noel.
Yes!
Yeah.
The crab right now first.
The fish, okay?
Kaktang, go over there. Check it. Kaktang, go. Check the crab. Go check the crab. Uy! Umuulan. OMG! It's raining.
It's ready. Go, go, go.
Oh no, it's raining. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Ito ba yun? Hoy.
This way, because we need to kwan. Wala na, nag-raining na, guys. Nag-raining. Come, come. Oo, dito sis. Rika. Let's go. It's raining na. Oh my God, it's raining too much. Naulanan kami, guys. Dito muna kami. Wow, kaktang. Buti na lang may ganito. May... Oo. Yay! Oh. How was that? You're crumbling.
Oh yeah, so super good.
Yeah. Yeah, Kongtan. Yeah, Daddy. Oh, where's the Kaktong? Kaktong. Hi. Hey, you guys bike around. Huh? Okay, you bike now. Bye. Hi. We're here, guys. Yeah, uh-oh. Okay. Okay, Nani. Where are you, honey? Over here or over there? Okay, scooter, scooter. Yeah, scooter. Wee. Scooter. You guys have so much fun with your scooter? Okay, good job. Kuya Noel, 5 pounds of...
Oh, you have the water.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Boy Scout. Thank you, thank you. Kain na kami, guys. Kainan na. Eating time.
Next time, you know what to bring.
Yes.
Mosquito repellent.
Yes, because we didn't know we're gonna eat na. Kuya Noel. Oh, nababay pa si Kuya Noel.
I like that one.
Oh.
I like that bag. Cooler. So, biling cooler na yan.
Oh. Cooler yan, sis.
Backpack cooler.
Oh, backpack na cooler.
Ay, actually, alam mo, yung binigay, di ba yung...
Yeah. Huh? Hi. That one. Okay. Yeah? We're going home?
Yeah.
Ano na nangyari? Ano na nangyari? Oh. Ito.
Raining again.
It's raining again. How was that, honey? Yeah. Ito. Asan yung si Charis?
Fish.
Did you guys get it? Oh, that's good. Kaya si Kuya Noel. Nakabir pa. That's yours, honey. Drinking session sila, guys, kasi nagpuan ulan. Cheers! Okay, here. Wow. Okay, scooter. That's not a bike. Scooter. Here. It's over here. Here, that's the trash. What happened? Who get it? Wow. Cheese. Wow. Oh. Careful. Oh no.
He crab I feed or he feed I
Okay.
will be
The water now is so high. Best friend na sila, Kuya Noel at Sapphire. Hindi natakot si Sapphire. Oh my God. May catch kayo.
hi guys.
Hi. Kakdong, put your t-shirt down.
Why is it so heavy?
Oh,
The head.
Why is it so bad? Why is it so heavy? Yeah, why is it so heavy?
Oops. Uh-oh. So stuck. Almost no more. Oh my Lord.
maybe it's over there. That side have the.
Had the crab now? Well, it seems like we don't have no more chicken anymore.
Yeah, because the only.
They ate it already. Let's see what's going on.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my God, maybe that's an alligator.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Hello. See, Samika. Oh my God. Yay. Wow. Wow, it's the biggest one.
Now you can eat dinner. Wait,
Yeah, you can eat dinner now. Wow, okay, picture. Nagtawa si Sapphire. Wow, very big. Tingnan natin. Wow, so
Hello.
big. Uh-oh, yay. Wow.
Oh, so big.
Yeah, it's the biggest one
Yeah.
so far. Wow, how?
It's like flip mode.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good job.
Half for you, half for me. Okay.
Yeah, good job, guys. Oh, they have the big one too. Oh my gosh. Cool. So big?
So big naman.
Yeah. Stones. Honey, which one is bigger, ours or them? Them?
So like
Oh.
fish and
Slowly. Wow, what's na? Ano yan? Wow! Yeah! Had it again! Oh.
today
Yeah, I think Fuwi needs to crab, so we have dinner today. Yeah. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Oh no, what happened? Huh?
Hey, it's a right there.
Okay. Parang enjoy na enjoy sila doon na. asking for the kuan. You got some chicken?
Yes.
They give you some?
Cô bự lắm, anh nói nè, thôi.
Yeah. What happened?
What did you do?
Kakdang. Is there something? Yeah. Is there already there or something? Or not yet? Or not yet? Hello. Oh no. You want to see? Oh, Daddy got some fish. Okay, it's good, Dad. It's a fish. Oh my gosh. Hi! What a fish. Oh no. Oh no. What happened? Kuya Noel is by himself over there. Let's see if he can catch a crab over there. And si Kuya Noel. Smiley siya, smiley. Tignan mo sis. Meron, wala pa. Kala ko may nano ka na. Help daw. Ito na. Oh wow! Good job, Johnson.
Wow, Johnson today is the number 1.
Yes, so we can eat the dinner now. Wow, it's so big too. Oh my God, good job, Kang. Now we have dinner, okay?
Bởi vậy cá đuối người ta thường lấy cá đuối người ta câu.
Oh my God, your son is very good, man.
My son is like amazing.
And then it's
man.
so super big too.
Yeah.
He catch all the big ones.
Yeah,
Oh my
he
God,
got
look.
Two big.
Big ones. Yeah. Good job. It's stuck? Okay, wait. Sis, ano nang balita dyan? Wala pa? Nothing yet. What do you want, Kaktang? What do you want? Oh no! Okay. Good. Lovers in ano to? Lovers in Lovers in the creek. So dito lang kami, guys. Hi. Over there. Nandun sila. Opo sila. Bye-bye. Hey, where's the boat? Here. Here. You can look over there. Here. Kaktung. Bye-bye. Here. Did you see? Bye. Nag-focus na po sila. Kaktung. What happened? Oh no, where's your brother? Oh no. Huh? Kaktung. There's over there, Kang. Go over there. You're scared? Why? Come. Slide na. Lady. Here, maybe here. Yay! Good job, guys. Ready na. Which way? Wow! Whee! Whee! Way over here. Hi, guys. Hi. Guys, we're gonna go to another fishing and crabbing spot. Gonna go now. Yeah. Baby sleep. Hey guys, so we move here in Surfside. So we're gonna do the we're gonna fish over here. Hi! Fish over here and yeah, just fishing. We're about to eat na. Ayun. Over there. Kinuha lang ni Sis Heidi yung adobo. Yes. Did you guys like it here? Okay. It's more clean, right? And not wet. Okay, good. So guys, naka-picnic na kami. No. Picnic kami dito. Oo. Sila Sapphire nandoon. Oh, asan na yun si Johnson? Okay. Saan ka na, sis? Okay. Why? They're watching the kuan, guys. The beach. Hi. Huh? excited over there. Ano nang balita, sis? May nakuha ba sila?
Sila sa shopping.
Crap! Kaya pala sabi ni Kuya Noel ko. Na-relax kami dito, guys. What happened? You want to swim? Yeah? Oh, kayo want daddy? Oh. Akala ko nakakuha si Kuya Noel. Ano pala yun? Chicken. Chicken. Isa. Over there. Daddy is over there at the rock. Cactus. Dede, ada no. Tulog na. We're gonna go home now, guys. Tapos na ka. Okay, just wait. Natapos na ang crabbing moments namin. Oo. We had so much fun. Okay, let's go, guys.